Hello everyone. Welcome to the Stocks and Shares YouTube channel. What's the update for Nifty? Let's check. So, last time we checked Nifty, uh, it was around March 2024 when Nifty was moving in this range of around 22,700 and 21,000, around 21,000 points. So, this was the range at that time. And I told you all that it might see some correction in the upcoming days during that time. But as you can see here, Nifty followed a passage here, taking support from this trend line, and it continued its bull run all the way up to 26,300 around points here. So it have covered a very long path. See, this was the range during that time, and Nifty have come all the way till here. So what's next for Nifty? As you can see, during the last 1 week here, Nifty marked its all-time high on 26 September with 26,000 and around 200 270 points here, 26 27 September, and from there Nifty was falling very sharply. So the main question is Nifty in a correction? Well, as you know that the FIIs are moving the money from the Indian markets to the Chinese market. I think you all know it till now. And it's not only one reason for this fall. You can see here. Look, Nifty have already covered a very big rally, and it's very obvious that some correction comes here. So it's not a big deal. So if you are in derivatives, in options and futures, then my opinion for you is to be very cautious in the upcoming days. It is because if you think that this sharp fall will continue, then you might need to check this. There is a big support, and also here the first support level is 24,830 around, and then the next is 23,000. It's just 24,000, you can see. So in the upcoming days, Nifty will both sideways, not like much sharp fall, in my opinion, personal opinion. I don't trade in options and futures, and I don't recommend you to do it because this is not the time. It's looking very volatile and you can lose the money easily. So please be very cautious in options and futures. Okay, so moreover, if you are working in ETFs, Nifty, so I guess it's better if you you know keep investing in the dips. From the last 1 week, we are seeing a very sharp fall, but it's the right time if you take this advantage in your favor and works in the ETFs of Nifty. In a good ETF, keep investing in the dips. When the market is falling, keep investing the money in it in the ETF way. It will generate a very good return in the long term because this sharp fall will be covered in the upcoming days. I know it have come from this way all the way to this point. I told you about this rally. Okay, so what's looking next? Okay, let's check it. Uh, yeah. So this is in the 1 hour time frame. I personally don't check volume because volume don't give much input in the index. Specifically Nifty, volume doesn't work much. Price action is the best thing where you can check what's going to happen. So I follow the price here. As you can see in the 1 hour time frame, uh, the price is already moving downside from both the EMS, the 25-day moving average and the 50-day moving average is exponential. Specifically both are. So the next Nifty going to take support of this level, as I marked here, 24,800 points, this specific level. Maybe it can show a little bit of a tracing back and then it's going to fall again here. It's also taking resistance from this uh, trend line here. So it can extend this, and it can move between this path. As you can see, there is the support marked at the level of 24,800. But don't take calls here blindly. Don't buy call option here. It can still fall. It's coming in from a very sharp fall, and it might continue by taking some support here. It might continue here. So my opinions here are that don't look for buying calls here, and also don't look because it's moving very sharply downside. So be very cautious at this point. It's very obvious that after covering up a very big bull rally, Nifty going to show some correction. So it's not much more thing to worry about. Your investments are safe. It may show a little bit of dip in the earnings, but in the long term it will all recover. This is a very big support. This black line I marked there, 22,800 points. So it's already very much above it. The markets are trading at 25,000 around levels. So to come down to this level, 22,728 80 points, it's a very long way. Okay, let's check it. One more thing, 25, 200. Yeah, you can see here it's already come down from its 200 moving average. So it might show some of the upcoming coverage. Here you can see 50 came down here and then it recovered. Now Nifty again have shown some sharps. So it may recover in the upcoming days. It's not a big deal. You can see here it did the same thing here. This it took around 1 month to recover, and it also looking the same here. Wait, it also looking the same here. Doing the same thing. Might cover up this position, but don't take trades blindly, and your investments are safe. It's not a big deal. Nifty have already moved a lot in the bull rally, so it's going to cover up some points here. It can't just go up and up. It's going to come down and take support. My opinion at that time was that at this point 23,000 around, Nifty going to show this sharp fall and come down for some correction, but it continued it rally all the way to this position 26,300 points. So it's very overvalued now. All the good companies in the market have already very much overpriced. So it's obvious that Nifty is going to show some correction, and after taking some support in the upcoming days, it's going to recover from that position. So don't worry and don't panic, and don't take trades blindly for this that Nifty is falling. So you're going to buy put options. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Most DIIs and retail investors are very active in the market. So your strategy might fail there. Believe me, if FIIs are extracting the money to put in other markets, but DIIs are active here, mutual fund houses are active here. So be cautious about that. It will create volatility here. Thank you. And I'll be posting much more often now. See you very soon.